Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil Minimo system. Now the Minimo is Jetboil's most popular regulated cook system, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. The Minimo is a fantastic personal cook system that weighs in at just 14.6 ounces, but still gives you a 6,000 BTU burner stove with Jetboil's regulator technology and unbeatable simmer control. So the great thing about the Minimo is how everything packs together. You've got this bottom cover that doubles as a measuring cup and bowl. And you've got the cup here that holds everything else. The top lid, the fuel stabilizer, fits right in there. A 100-gram fuel canister and the stove itself fit right in the cup. So then you just build the system. Screw the stove into the fuel canister. The cooking cup locks into place. Then you've got your measuring cup and bowl, and then you've got the lid. Easy. The big story with the Minimo is the redesigned cooking cup and handles. It comes with a 1-liter short flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, and as the name suggests, it's shorter and a bit wider than before, so you get a better spoon angle. So that just means it's easier than ever to cook and eat straight out of the cup since you can get more of your spoon in there. The metal handles here on the side are super sturdy and they're insulated so you won't burn your hands, and they really just go a long way towards making this thing really usable. Now the cup itself has this great drink-through lid with a pour spout and a strainer, so you can use it as a cup for coffee or to strain pasta. And the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl, so you have everything you need to make a meal for yourself all right here. So it's the perfect size system for one person, and the flux ring technology on the cup make it really fuel efficient. It'll boil a half a liter of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you do that 24 times. Jetboil makes the most advanced regulator valves in the industry. They engineer them to allow for 4 full turns of the valve spindle for incremental fuel flow adjustment and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. Here's what that means. A lot of other stoves on the market go from closed to fully wide open with 1 turn of the spindle. So you either get a tiny flame that won't cook any of your food or a full bore inferno that burns everything. Not so with the Minimo. It also means you can boil water for coffee in an instant and then cook perfect scrambled eggs all on the same stove. The other great thing about the Minimo's regulator technology is that it helps it perform better in cold weather. It's rated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about it not working well when it's cold outside. Now beyond that, you get a reliable push-button igniter and a fuel stabilizer, and the Minimo is compatible with a whole host of Jetboil accessories, like the Grande coffee press, pot support, and frying pan. So all in all, with the Minimo, you get an incredible personal cook system. You get a really powerful burner that'll boil water quickly, but still has unbeatable simmer control and packs down really small. The shorter cup size makes it easier than ever to cook and eat out of the same vessel, and you won't have to sacrifice weight for cooking performance in the backcountry.